Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I am so happy to see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you are doing great today. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft or home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's creation together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comment and they make the smile. Let's keep growing and learning together. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In this video, I am talking about wooden craft ideas. Every piece of wood has a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspires you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support means help me create more for you. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wood can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I bring new ideas from wooden. You are part of this channel. Sit back, relax and enjoy today's wooden creation. Wooden decor brings warmth and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple and wood and a little creativity. Today I will show you the most beautiful, latest and trendy collection of wooden decor ideas and how to use wooden pieces to make your space look more beautiful. You can use old wooden frames. If you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it, and if you want more home decor ideas, you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing decor ideas with wooden. You can please try it at your home. And you're also a part of my YouTube family. If you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon. uh, Thank you so much for your time, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Thanks for your love and your support. Your support means a lot to me. Please watch this video till the end. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Please take care of yourself.